Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another unboxing video. In today's unboxing video we have these beautiful Vossen forged wheels. They are custom. They are for a 2020 Audi RSQ8. They are the HF-2 wheels in anthracite. So they are also 22 by 10.5 for anyone who wants to know, and they will also be mounted on some Michelin Pilot Sports. The size that we decided to go with on the tires are going to be 295 40 R22. So yeah, let's get into it. So I actually already opened this box, but I'm going to pull the wheel out because I actually didn't even get to pull it out yet. So with the wheel, it also comes with center caps, and I'll show you them. I can get my finger in here. Bubble wrap stuck real good. Oh, I actually like these center caps. They're like matted almost. Pretty cool. As well as the lug bolts needed for all four wheels. And then, I'm going to take this off. They actually wrap them really nice so that there's like minimal damage. But again, I'm just going to go through myself and make sure that there's no damage on each wheel before the customer picks them up, so that way there's no issues with them as well. So like I said, these are the HF2s. They're in anthracite. Honestly, to date, this is probably my favorite wheel. The style of it and the color as well. It has a really nice color to it. So let me just lift it up, and I'm going to move it over here so you guys can take a better look at it. So one thing is with Vossen, because these were so big in size with the wheel, they went with a custom offset as well. They do pretty much any customization you're looking for, which is really nice. But yeah, I really like these wheels. The color is like super different compared to any other anthracite I've seen before. All right, I'm gonna put these back in the box and open up the others to make sure that the faces are all okay. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm gonna put these back in so I don't lose them. I'm missing one. Oh, here we go. All right, let me go to the other ones now and open them up. I have to say it's kind of annoying how well they wrap them, because like you have to keep unraveling all the layers to it, but it is a good feature when you're shipping them. This one looks good. It also has some plastic wrap, but I'm not going to take that off. That I'll let the customer do. All right, so I'm going to put this back for now. And go on to the next one. Also, for anyone who's interested in Vossen wheels, you're more than welcome to reach out. We are an authorized reseller of theirs / wholesaler. So you're more than welcome to reach out to us, and we can definitely help you with any of your needs when it comes to Vossen wheels. Stick it. Ooh, piece of cardboard. All right, another one. Looks good. Gonna throw this back in here. And I'm gonna open up the last one. did I do with my knife? Lost it. Oh no. Oh, right in plain sight. All right. Okay. And last one looks good too. They just make them so beautifully. All right, like I said, if you're interested in Vossen wheels, reach out to us at ZNM Performance, and yeah, thanks.